Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer. I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed. I am doing another giveaway at 500 subscribers and we're actually over halfway there already, which is dope as shit. Thank you guys. So today, you already know from the title, I'm gonna do a Shine. I hear Shein more often than anything, so we're gonna go with Shein haul. Yeah, so it's my first time doing a try on haul on my channel in general. You guys don't see like my entire body most of the time, so be nice. I'm thicker than a Snicker, thicker than a bowl of oatmeal. Also, James is sitting on the bed to, I don't know,
grade A commentary.
Provide commentary for the whole video. So, yeah, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below if you like the video while you're watching, and subscribe. I already said that. Whatever, let's get into it. Also, before we jump in, I wanted to mention that Shein, I'm gonna say Shein, is an Asian company, I believe Chinese, don't know for sure, Asian for sure, company, so everything is shipped from overseas. My shipping actually was less than a week. Yeah, mine was less than a week, and if it wasn't less than a week, it was right at a week, which is super cool. So they had pretty quick shipping. My order, I think, was $93, and I got free shipping, and I used a coupon code. If you put the Shein app on your phone and make an account, they literally have 14 coupon codes every time you open it, which is super cool. Yeah. The main thing is their sizing is different, so if you order from their company, you really need to make sure you look at the sizing chart, read the reviews. Reviews with pictures are the best because I like trying to find somebody that's got my body shape. If you did not know, you still can't see because I'm wearing all black. I guess you would call it like a pear shape. Like, I don't have a big chest or anything, and like my waist isn't very big, but I got really big hips and I have a really big butt. So you need to look at their sizing charts, and off of their sizing charts I wear like a 3, 4X. Normally I wear like a 1X or a 2X. I did just go ahead and, you know, look at their sizing chart. Most of my stuff is a 3 or a 4. I believe this is a 4X and it fits relatively baggy. I have been wearing it all day. I'm not even gonna lie. It is 11:30 at night and I think I put it on at like 12. I've had it on for a little bit, so it's a little more stretched out and worn in, which is my favorite. It is like a cottony material. It is super comfy. I do like it. I like that the sleeves are longer because as a plus size woman, I hate it when the sleeves are like super short and like my armpit fat like eats them. Nobody likes that. So I really like this shirt, and I'm not gonna lie to you, when I first put it in my cart, I really thought it was like the Rock, you know, the Rock icon symbol, the Rock thing, but it is actually sign language for I love you, which is also super cool. I really like this. The only thing I would change about it, and I'm kind of trying to get used to it, is it has a little bit of a wider neck. So there's that. Also, I forgot to mention, I'm pretty tall. I'm 5'8". I don't know if you consider that tall. I seem to be taller than most of the girls around me, so I don't know. It hits, man, all black was not a good choice here. It hits like right at the bottom of my hips. It does kind of cover my butt up, but I always like flip it up over my butt a little bit. And yeah, there's this shirt. I really should have like told you guys the prices of everything, but it's totally fine. I believe this, if it was even $10, I think it was actually like 7 or 8. Definitely not over 10. So yeah, I really like this shirt. The tag is kind of tickling me a little bit, but other than that, I really like this shirt. It is super comfy, like I said, and this is, I believe this is just vinyl put on it, but it's very flush to the cotton, so I don't think I'm gonna have a problem with it peeling or anything. If you know, want an update, I guess I can do that. So let me put on the next thing. Okay, James has brought up a really good fact here. While I'm editing this, we're just gonna go back through and I will put the price somewhere around the screen and hopefully the name of the shirt, dear God. Anywho, this is the next shirt. Everything I bought is black.
You have color in there. Don't show
I'm
me.
sorry. Everything has the main color of black. There's three things that have a little bit of color in them, but it's gray and brown and then yellow. So, anywho, everything I bought for the most part is black, but it's fine. So this is the next t-shirt I bought. Once again, it has that vinyl on it, but it is very flush to the actual shirt. It is like a cottony material, longer sleeves, which I love. And it just says Mamacita needs a margarita, which if you keep up with my channel, actually next week, wait, what week is it? What day is it? It's Friday. Yeah, next week I'm leaving to go on vacation, not like a full-blown vacation, like a weekend getaway situation with my family. And so I thought this would be the perfect thing to wear, because honestly, Mamacita needs a margarita. This is also a 4X, and I haven't been wearing this one all day, so it's not nearly as stretched out because I have an 18-month-old that really enjoys like pulling your shit out. So there's that. It hits about the same way. It fits pretty much the exact same way. I actually think these are all the exact same t-shirts with just different shit on them. It has that wider neck still, and I really like it. It's super comfy, and it also has the side tag that I'm sure will eventually start irritating me until I cut it out, because I normally cut out all my tags. So this is super cute. Like I said, I'll try to put the name and the price somewhere on the screen. And I really like the font of it. It's like cute script and then print and then cursive. I don't think try on hauls is gonna be my thing, but you know, moving on. Okay, so next up we have a shirt that's a little bit different. I don't think this is the same template kind of shirt, like the basic black t-shirt with like the longer sleeves and the wider neck. This one has shorter, more cropped sleeves. The neckline is a lot tighter, and instead of vinyl, this is embroidered on it. And I'm not gonna lie, this was one of my favorite things that I was like way excited for. I don't know why. It just says "It's all good, baby, baby" in embroidery, and it's really freaking cute. It's in cursive. I'm down for the count. I freaking love it. Like I said, the sleeves are a little bit shorter, so like my chicken wang is out a little bit, but it's alright. I actually kind of like that the neckline is higher. 99% of the time, if I'm wearing a t-shirt, it's a men's t-shirt. So I'm kind of just used to the neck being higher up on me. And this one is also a little bit shorter on me, but I like it. I think it's cute. James, what we think?
It's cute. I like it.
You gotta talk loud.
I like it. I really do.
Okay, and I went ahead and changed out of my black leggings, so hopefully you could see a little bit better. Hold up, actually, let me angle you down a little bit. So this is the other, well, this is one of the other things I got. They are super cute, like sleeping. I actually don't know if they're meant to be sleeping shorts or if they're just like regular printed shorts, but these have like a silky, satiny kind of feel on them. And I'm gonna have to scream at you because I'm so far away from my camera, but it's okay. I like where these hit. I don't like super short shorts. And they just have a gray waistband, and then they have black with sunflowers on them. Super cute, but you know the best part about these shorts? Do you want to guess? I'm gonna tell you. They have pockets. I always appreciate when women's clothing has pockets. It's like a whole thing. If I'm actually wearing like pajama pants, 9 times out of 10 I've stolen them from James because I like having pockets. I'm so freaking excited they have pockets. I really like these shorts, and obviously if you wanted to, you could do the whole like folding the waistband down and make them shorter, but now I feel like the bottom of my ass is hanging out, so probably won't be doing any of that. And like I said, the length is really good for me, and they're, I don't know how to say it. The length, I don't know how really to explain it. The length of these is really good for me because I like to hide my fupa. I want my fupa put up. I don't want anybody to be able to like see it fupa-ing or whatever it does. So I can pull these up well over my belly button, and like they're still a good length. I enjoy these. So let's move on. I totally forgot to mention that the first 2 t-shirts, the Mamacita Needs a Margarita and the I Love You shirt, were 4X's, and this is a 3X, which also might be why it fits so differently, but I honestly think it's a different like style of t-shirt, because like it's way higher up on my neck. And also these pants, shorts, whatever you want to call them, they are also a 3X, but they are very, very stretchy and not see-through. Well, shit. In front of my lighting, okay, they're kind of see-through when they're stretched. So maybe size up if you got a bigger booty than me. Moving on. Okay, so this next piece is not all black technically. This is a 2-piece set, and it's a pajama set. I don't know how I feel about it. I went way out of my comfort zone. Not because it's not all black, but because it's a crop top. And I don't know how I feel about that. James says it looks cute. I think James might be lying, but it's okay. So this whole set is a 3X, ow, and it is this little cotton crop top, and it just says, okay, but first coffee. I like that it has the longer sleeves and the higher neckline. I think this is cute. I'm not gonna lie. And then the shorts are not very flattering, I'm noticing from the side.
Oh, they are.
Anywho, the shorts are pretty much the same. No, they're not. I was gonna say they're pretty much the same as the sunflower shorts, but they're really not. And also I've been tugging on them and pulling on them, and now I've lost my drawstring. Okay, so these shorts are all cotton, and they are they're once again super stretchy. The pattern does kind of deform the more stretched out they get, and I think these are actually longer, maybe. Like the inseam might be a little longer than the sunflower shorts, just because I have them pulled up like pretty freaking high. Like my belly button's way down there. I have them pulled up pretty freaking high, and I'm still okay with the length of them. I don't know how much I'll actually like wear this together, just because this bold ass print is kind of making me feel a little insecure in my fupa here. So, you know. This is actually super comfy though. The shorts, instead of like the satiny material like the sunflower shorts were, these are like pure cotton, and they're super comfy and super stretchy. The crop top's kind of growing on me here. Not a lot, not enough to wear out in public, just to wear on the internet and around my house. Moving on. Okay, the last two things I have to show you guys are actually bathing suits. My grandmother has a pool, and like I said, we're going on family vacation next week, so I needed some swimsuits because there's a hot tub, and then obviously there's a pool available to me at any time. So I bought 2 new swimsuits, and yeah, so this is the first one. This is a high-waisted bikini. The bottoms are just solid black, and they have sunflower print on them. I really like these bottoms, and I showed my mom when I was ordering, and she was like, oh my god, sunflower, that's so cute. I'm pretty sure is just actually excited that it's not solid black. I'm pretty sure she gets really irritated that I almost always wear all black. Anywho, these bottoms are really cute, and this is a 4. This is a 4X. I went off of the size chart again, and it's got room in it, you know? Like, they're not overly stretchy. There's a little bit of room, a little bit of give, though. I feel like I'm not, like, encased in this. It's very comfortable to me. It has pretty good butt coverage. There's a little bit of my cheek at the bottom, but that is fine. That is appropriate to me, at least for my family vacation. So this is really cute. The top is actually pretty high up. It is 2 layers. So this is the bottom layer. It's like a little built-in bra. These do have like the little pads in them that are not removable. I was just checking for the little pocket. They're not removable, and normally, like, you know, in sports bra, it kind of has like an elongated circle. These are just like full-on circles, which is kind of weird, but it's okay. This is super cute. It is black, and I think it was called like the hanky cut or something. It's really cute. It has little spaghetti straps, and then this top layer is like only attached at the very top of the top. And it just has little black pom-poms hanging off of it. The straps are adjustable, but I actually think it's okay where it is. What do you guys think? Do we like this? I think I kind of like it. Not my favorite one I bought. The other one is my favorite. But I like this. This is really cute. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Huh?
So too hot to try.
Too hot to trot, James says. So let me put on the other swimsuit and then I'll be right back. Okay. This is the one I like the most. Okay. I want to just do a quick like spin before I start explaining the top so you maybe understand a little bit better. Okay. Can you see that? You can tighten, like you can untie that knot right there and tighten the straps, which I'm gonna need because I feel like if I get in water, these are just gonna kind of like completely fall off. But this is hella cute. I ain't gonna try to lie. This is hella cute. Hold up. Let me put my girls up as we do. Okay. I like that these straps are really wide and they actually have a pretty good amount of stretch in them. But like I said, you can untie that knot and tighten it. And this top pretty much hits where the like pom-pom flouncy thing hit on the first swimsuit. But I really like it. It holds in back rolls. It holds in all of this, but it does have this cute little peephole. And it has, I don't know if you can see, it has like a little thing, like it makes it look like a little bow. This is super cute. The sides of it are black, and then it has a panel of leopard on the butt. And then obviously the straps come around to the back and tie. So there's leopard like all through the center of it. I really like this one. I'm not gonna lie. And TBH, the bottoms, I can wear my other swimsuit top with. I'm just saying. I thought ahead. Mix and match. I'm just saying. So these bottoms are a little bit different than the first swimsuit. These actually have like ruching on the butt, like the back panel of leopard, and on the front, like the sides. It has some ruching in it. And this is a 3X. Once again, I went off of the sizing chart, and I actually feel like this one is more comfy. I don't know if it's because the straps are thicker or like the ruching. I feel like it's like pulling everything in. But this one is the size smaller, and I feel like it is more comfortable. It hits about the same, like I said, on the top and the bottom as the first swimsuit. And I feel like the panels are kind of slimming. Let's just say they're slimming even if they're not, okay? Be nice to me. Yeah, I really like this. Like I said, it has the panel down the back. It is covering, they're cut pretty much the exact same. There's a little bit of cheek out, but it's totally fine with me. I don't think, do you think anybody's gonna be like alarmed by that little bit of my butt cheek? No. I mean, there's so much more that could be showing. So, I really like this. I really freaking like this. I will be ordering more from Shein, Shine, whatever you want to call it. I'm really happy with everything I bought, right?
Yeah.
$93. I bought 7 items, and the pajama set and the swimsuit were counted as like one item, you know. So I bought 7 things. I'm really happy with everything I got, and this is probably, this is my favorite one. Out of the 2 swimsuits I bought, this is the one, I don't know. I feel a lot better in it. I'm going to have James quickly come onto screen and tighten that a little bit, just so you can see what it would look like a little tighter. Because also it's going to hold my titties up a little bit. So James quickly came onto the screen and tightened my straps for me, and now I feel like way more secure. I don't know. I don't want to get into the hot tub or a pool and like feel everything come loose, okay? So I do feel a lot more comfortable in it now. He did not do the original knot, but now it has some more dangly dangs, which I guess is fine. So whatever. Yeah, that's everything I got from Shein in this haul. I hope you guys liked the video. I'm actually gonna get up in here where I was originally. That's everything I have for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below if you did. And obviously, leave me a comment down below if you liked something, if you didn't like something you want to see in a new video. Or just say, hey, I really like getting comments. It literally makes my entire day. Sometimes it makes my whole fucking week. So, you know, talk to me down below. Give it a thumbs up. And, of course, subscribe to my channel for new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Sometimes more, sometimes a little less because I'm trash. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. This is it for me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.